Just riding on the sidewalk. I'm riding on the sidewalk, 'cause I'm cool like that. Not really, but I think that I am, 'cause I ride a motorcycle, and I'm so cool. I'm a starter riding, yeah, yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up on the mind. I can't let you go, I'm riding, baby. Like the channel. I'm riding on the streets now. Corona. Stay safe, stay clean. Better than he can. What up, everybody? KTG back at it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, so we're taking the long way home from work today. I don't really know where I'm going, but kind of how my videos are. Beautiful evening. Had to make some adjustments, get some things out of my pockets, just get comfortable. Probably gonna be a longer ride, so we'll see what we can see. Alright, let's go. Let's go, baby, go! I don't have my GPS on, and I'm just kind of heading east. Heading east. I'm heading east. East. So around this time of the day, it's nice to have a jacket on. It starts getting a little cooler. I don't know these roads at all.
Like the channel.
I guess we'll make it right. I don't know why my helmet just feels extra tight today. Like, super snug today. So, nothing so far. Nothing interesting. I mean, I'm having a good time riding the bike. Savage. I'm savage. I live savage. At the car wash. International House of Pancakes. Panda Express. I'm like a... This is advertising for everybody. Firestone. KFC. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Papa Wheelie, Papa Wheelie. On your phone, that's illegal, sir. I'm not snitching on you, though. Because I be doing illegal stuff all the time. Oh, yeah, I'm riding on the Cbr929rr. Lot of bikers out, lot of bikers out tonight. Sorry, I keep hitting you out with that falsetto. Yeah, I'm not ready for it. Oh, we're in Rosemount now, dang. Oh. We're in Rosemount. Oh, it feels so good. You know. It's Corvetting it out, huh? Nah, I just got it. Yeah, I never rode it before. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. 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 Cool, thanks, man. Y'all take care. Yeah.
Like the channel.
Yeah, it's something that happens usually when you're on your bike. Someone always talking to you. You know, you said respect. That's awesome, respect. I don't know what that was all about. I just heard some tires just skirting. Like, hopefully he's not behind me, skirting into my rear. That would not be cool. Oh, a Gypsy. I got no issues against Gypsies.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.